Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Accounts. This saves time and avoids digging through menus. Once done, make sure you are on the device where the Google account is signed in and connected to the internet so removal syncs correctly. If you need any contacts, photos, or app data, back them up to Google Drive now, because removing the account revokes access to synced data on this phone. Now tap Accounts to begin the actual removal process. You should see a list of accounts. Tap the Google entry you want to delete so you can access account options. Once selected, choose Remove Account. The system will prompt you to confirm and may ask for your device PIN, pattern, or password. Enter it to authorize the change. This removes the account from the phone only, not from Google's servers. If you have more than one Google account to delete, repeat these steps for each account, making sure to confirm every prompt. After removal, open Settings accounts to verify the Google email no longer appears and launch Gmail or Drive to confirm you've lost access on this device. If removal fails, restart your phone and repeat the removal. Often a reboot clears transient sync or security glitches. If prompts demand device or account verification you cannot satisfy, consider temporarily signing into your Google account on the web to revoke device access. Or, as a last resort, use factory reset, but back up data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.